Awakened Glyphstone. Left mouse button. Interact. Head. Torso. Hands. Legs. Feet. Main hand. Equip feet. Neck. Equip ring. Ring. Offhand. Equipped. Favorited item. Toothed Reaper of Dexter. Hide. Attack. Stats and materials. Fire resistance. 69. Damage reduction from damage over time. 12. Main. Vampiric power. Equipment. Barrier. 0% fortified. 14% slash. Expand. Each time your bone golem takes up to 20% of its maximum life as damaged, it sheds a corpse. You deal 15% X increased you deal 15% X increased damage to vulnerable damage reduction from all sources, 32.8%. Vulnerable damage bonus. Damage shadow damage bonus, 91. Bonus shadow damage over time. Shadow damage bonus shadow damage poisoning damage bonus, 16%. Increases your poisoning damage dealt. This includes vulnerable damage bonus, 186. Paragon. Expand. Skeletal Warrior Mastery. Increase the damage and life of your skeletal warriors by 15% X. Not yet learned. Enhanced Corpse Explosion. Corpse Explosion's radius is increased by 15%. Right mouse button. Refund cost, 45,149 gold. Terror, paragon, normal node. +5 willpower. Not yet. Magic node, rare node, rare node, rare node. Preservation, glyph socket. +25.0% damage. Normal, rare node. Erudite, rare node. Target, glyph socket. +80.0%, legendary node. Normal node, legendary node. With rare node. Dragging, magic node, rare node. Erudite, glyph socket. Plus, normal node. Legendary node, rare node. Tenacity. 8% maximum life. +100 armor. Bonus, another 4% maximum life if requirements met. 525/430 willpower. Right mouse button. Refund cost, 25,064 gold. Rare node. Glyph socket. Legendary node. Scent of death. With at least 2 corpses nearby, glyph socket. Rare node. Overlord. +10.0, glyph socket, normal node. Rare node. Suffused resilience, magic, normal, board attachment gate. Rare, glyph socket, rare node. Glyph socket, magic node, glyph socket, glyph socket. +52 point rare node. Normal node. +5 legendary node, rare node. Dragging shadows, legendary node. Flesh eater. Board, rare node. Tenacity. 8% maximum life.